Welcome back to Prompto app, where we take simple prompts and turn them into real business applications in minutes. Whether it's routine inspections or emergency repairs, managing maintenance work orders through phone calls can get difficult. Without a central system, technicians lack clear instructions, checklists are missed, and you lose sight of the entire process. In this episode, let's create an app to manage workflows like the work order life cycles, quality checks, and status monitoring of the entire maintenance process at your company using Zoho Creator, an AI-powered low-code platform. Here's the prompt we'll be using. As soon as we provide the prompt, Zia, Zoho's AI assistant, builds the core components on the backend. It generates a central repository for all work orders, configures status, monitoring from creation to completion, sets up automated notification for your team, and creates digital checklists and standard operating procedures. Now let's take a look at what was just created. First up, we have a work order module where tasks can be generated via manual entry or by scanning QR codes. The status module gives us a kanban-style view to track progress from open to closed. We also have a checklist module to ensure every job follows standard operating procedures with automated warnings if a step is skipped. The system even handles scheduling, allowing you to automate routine inspections based on time or equipment usage. And now, Zia has built a complete prototype to get you started. From here, you can customize it further, sync work orders with your ERP to eliminate duplicate entries, and tailor it to match how your team works. You can find this prompt in the description below. Just paste it into Zoho Creator and build it your way. We drop new videos on 2nd and 4th Friday of every month. I'll see you in the next episode.